We normally use the D6000 docks at our company, but when we needed to run a new laptop with i9 they did not supply enough power, 65W. This dock worked perfectly to charge through the USB-C and i9 laptop with a 135W requirement and run dual monitors. First of all, let me say I am happy with my purchase. But I inquired with the seller about the condition of the goods before I bought. After all, Dell isn't in the habit of selling new $230 docks to resellers, who in turn resell them for $163. It would be tough to make a profit that way. I was told in my reply email that units were brand new. Well, the shrink wrap job on the device wasn't quite what you expect on a new unit, and when I traced the Dell service tag on their website I learned this was an advance exchange part originally intended for a Dell customer in Panama. Advance exchanged parts may be new or may be refurbished, but all should be warranted by Dell to be in working order. And, indeed, all features of my dock appear to work perfectly, and there was no cosmetic damage. I lowered my rating 1 star because the information I got wasn't quite true, but hey, I saved over $60 on a part that operates in the background. If you'd have bought the same dock from Dell and the first one didn't work for some reason, this would be the replacement part you'd get anyway. By the way, if you buy a unit like this from a reseller, its service tag remains registered to the prior owner, but if you call Dell they will switch the registration of the unit service tag into your name. Bought to use my Dell Latitude 5400. My laptop did not come with the optional Thunderbolt port, which is why I chose this dock. Hooked up two Samsung 27 inches 1080p displays via DisplayPort. Provides adequate power to charge my laptop and the displays look excellent. Able to use my laptop as a third display, if needed. Superb piece of kit. Hooked everything up and off I went. Works between my Dell and HP laptop seamlessly and hasn't missed a beat since installed. Depending on your setup, you might want to buy something like an Anker 4-port USB 3.0 hub just to give you little more capability in this respect. Love it, and others whom I work with have purchased for their Latitude notebooks. Click link in description for more reviews.